Hey everybody, it's Ryan. If you would like to use some LCD screens for a Halloween prop or costume, this video is for you. So what we have here is a set of LCD screens that are hooked up, and they're made for like these giant skeletons. But you can wire them up to a battery backup bank. And there's a couple different options depending on like how long you want it to work, but this will plug in, and so it doesn't come with this, and it doesn't come with this adapter. So this is a USB-C to one of these connections. And so you have a couple different connections going on here. You have this connection that goes to the USB-C, then you have this female to female, and then it connects to the actual piece that comes directly from these little mini TVs or LCDs. And so this piece is extra and this piece is extra, but when you put them all together, you got some pretty cool options here. This also comes with a remote, and you can change the eyeballs to look a couple different ways. So you got some like almost like cat dragon eyes that are blinking, hearts, looks like fireworks, spirals, stars, and then eyes, and then another form of eyes. Very, very cool. And this is a radio frequency remote, so it's not like infrared where you have to be like pointing at it. Actual, we'll call them these little LCDs. It comes with its own extension, which is about, I don't know, 18 inches long, and then eventually connects to here. And then it also comes with an option to hardwire it with a long, like a push button manual option. So you don't have to use the remote. The remote is just kind of cool. It does come with its own batteries. Very, very cool. It does come with screws, and it also comes with the screwdriver. So if you wanted to like screw this into something, you definitely have that option. But if you're wanting to, let's just say, put this in a mask and use it to enhance, let's just say, a mask or a puppet, you could definitely do that. Very, very cool. The actual LCDs are only a couple inches. They're about 2.5. The actual LCD screens are about 3 inches by about 2 inches. And yeah, very, very cool. Hopefully that answers any questions you might have about these very cool. Hopefully that answers any questions you might have about these very cool LCD eyeball options with a battery backup setup. We'll talk to you soon.